Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to edit your message on Facebook Messenger. If you sent mistakenly, no need to delete the messages in mobile and desktop version. This is a new picture, so let's get started. I will show you first in desktop version. The first step is, of course, open the conversation. It can be one-on-one chat or a group conversation. The process is the same. Once you are in the conversation, now here's the magic touch. Tap on message and click on three dots or more where you want to edit a message. And you will see different options. Click on edit. Now you can edit your message. After that, press enter or click on tick icon. Now done. Now mobile version. Open your messenger and go to conversation. Hold the message you want to edit. A menu will appear with different options from the menu. From the menu, click on more. After that, select edit. Now edit your message. Then click on tick icon. Now done. Your edited message will now replace the original one in the conversation. Edited messages are marked with an edit level, so everyone in the conversations knows that changes have been made. Alright friends, I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next video.